Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? It has been a while. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back guys. So today's video, let us make a very delicious coconut fried rice. Yes, this is coconut fried rice, very special. This is very easy. It doesn't take much time like the normal fried rice. Okay, this was very fast. So as you see me doing, I added vegetable oil to my pot. I added rough blend sweet pepper and onions, as you can see here. So I'm going to stir that for a while. The next thing, I will add my already washed rice. Okay, I washed my rice with very hot water. So I'm adding the rice. Okay, then after that we are going to give it a very good mix. Okay, yeah, I'm going to mix the rice. Then later I will be adding salt and season powder to it. Then we'll also add our coconut milk, as you see me doing right here. I will also add our meat stock. Okay, yeah, so I try to gauge the liquid I'm adding because I don't want the rice to be so soft. Okay, so I just try to gauge the liquid I added. So this was time that I added salt and a season powder. So I'll give it a very good mix. After that, we are going to cover and allow it to cook in a medium heat, because we don't want our rice to get burnt. Okay, so we're going to cook that in a medium heat. So this was the stage when I was checking if our rice was properly cooked, and yes, the rice was properly cooked. So in another pot, I am going to add 3 spoons of vegetable oil, normal spoon, okay, of vegetable oil. After that, I add my carrots. You see the way I dice the carrots, not big, very tiny. So I'm going to add green peas as well. So I will stir that for a while. After that, I'm going to add salt and a season powder. So I will also give it a stir. Then the next thing to add is going to be kidney beans. Yes, this is kidney beans. So added kidney beans. Then also give it a stir. So when I'm okay with that, the next thing will be to add already cooked rice to the veggies in the pot. Yeah, this was the stage when I was adding my already cooked rice. So after that, we are going to just mix everything very well. Yeah, we'll give it a very good mix. We still have other veggies to add, so I decide to add the next veggies very late, because we don't want them to be, we want that at the end of the day, the vegetable in it will be crunchy. That is why I say this was not normal fried rice. The veggies were not overcooked at all. So it was crunchy at the end of the day. And that was how I really wanted it. Okay. Yeah. So the next stage will be adding sweet mixed pepper, which is green, and a red sweet pepper. Okay, I will just add that to it. After that, we'll add spring onions. This is when I added spring onions, and just give it a mix, and that was it. I turn off my cooking gas immediately. Just as I said before, we don't want the veggies to be overcooked. We want that at the end of it, it will look crunchy, and it came out exactly the way I wanted it. Guys, this very recipe is a go. Coconut fried rice. Okay. I love it. So at the end, I just serve it with tilapia fish sauce. Yes, it was really, really, really yummy. The coconut flavor in it was in another level. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Please leave your comment. If you are here for the first time, don't go without subscribing. Turn on the notification bell. God bless you all, guys. To all my returning subscribers, you guys know I love you. Keep supporting your sister. God bless and see you again. Bye.